I'm staying at the AC Hotel by Marriott in Tampa. Gonna take a quick look around. I've never stayed at this brand of hotel, so let's take a look. When you walk in, there's a little closet area with a safe and a mini fridge and an ironing board. And then the restroom has this glass pocket door. Here's the shower area. And then the vanity in the restroom, hair dryer, towels, everything. And then don't mind their carry-ons. We just arrived. And we have a 2-queen bed set up in here. And there's lamps, reading lamps in between the beds. And then we have a hospitality set up here with the coffee maker and waters and a little sitting area over here. And this hotel is just a few miles from the airport. Seems to be a new hotel. And it's very nice. They have a restaurant downstairs. And we just went down and had wraps and got some Diet Pepsi. And they gave us some water while we were down there. And they have a breakfast. I think the price is about, I think it's either $18 or $22 in the morning, but there's a Starbucks right next door. So we'll probably grab Starbucks and then head down to the port. But anyway, it's a nice hotel. The staff is super nice and the service is great. So I would highly recommend the AC Hotel by Marriott in Tampa. And I didn't mention this, but they do have a shuttle to, I believe it's a 3-mile radius. And also from the airport, we ended up taking an Uber and just because we wanted to go on and get over to the hotel, long travel day. But anyway, highly recommend, and we're enjoying our stay here.